Everyone, today we are going to talk about the origin of planet Earth. Earth was created almost 4.5 billion years ago. There has been many theory which proposes that Earth created 4.5 billion years ago. So how it was formed? When a mass of iron-rich rocky debris orbiting around the sun, they smashed into a young planet as meteorites and they were welded together by the heat of impact. So what happened at that time when all this debris which was surrounding the sun, they impacted a young planet, and the impacting energy, that is the heat which is formed after the impact, was so high it melted everything which was present on that planet, and the iron rich part sank towards the center of the earth and it became the earth core, and the lighter rocks formed the mantle and crust. Earth structure. Earth has six layers: inner core, outer core, lower mantle, upper mantle, oceanic crust, and the continental crust. Inner core of Earth, it is a very heavy solid ball of iron and nickel. It is heated by nuclear reaction within the Earth, but intense pressure prevents it from melting. Outer core, it is a molten fluid mass of iron, nickel, and sulfur. Swirling currents in molten metal generate the earth magnetic field. So the actual core which is responsible for creating the earth magnetic field is this outer core. It is a fluidy part. Next is the lower mantle. Rocky mantle is heated at the base, but intense pressure stop it from melting. Rising heat keeps the hot rock moving. So lower mantle is responsible for the movement of the rocks, as well as it is heated at the base, but the pressure at lower mantle is so high that it doesn't melt. Upper mantle. Movement in mantle cracks the cool and brittle crust. Reduced pressure make hot mantle rocks melt and erupts from volcanoes. So after mantle, upper mantle comes, and it has less pressure. There is a less pressure on upper mantle, resulting in the liquefaction of the crust, and whatever the soft, cool or brittle crust are there, it melts them and creates a volcano. So volcanoes are created with the help of a upper mantle. Oceanic crust, crust between the continents. So the crust which is below the sea surface is known as the name of a oceanic crust. It is made from heavy rocks that erupts from the hot mantle. So these hot mantles come from the upper mantle. So, so these heavy rocks which melts, they erupts from the hot mantle at the mid-ocean ridge, form bedrock of ocean floor. So it forms the ocean floor's bedrock. Next is the continental crust. Lightest of the earth rock form vast slabs that float on the heavy mantle up to 75 kilometer. This is 75-kilometer thick. They rise above the sea level to form the continents we live on. So the continents on which we are currently living, they are the lightest of the earth rock form. Thank you if you like this presentation, and please subscribe my channel and motivate me to create such videos.